Have you ever wanted to order food in English but didn't know what to say? Maybe you worry about making mistakes, or you feel nervous when the waiter asks you a question. Don't worry. In today's lesson, you'll learn the most useful English phrases for ordering food at restaurants and cafes. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say with confidence. So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's start learning English together.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma and today we're going to talk about ordering food.
Hello everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Food is one of my favorite topics. Everyone loves talking about food.
That is so true. We eat every day, so we talk about food all the time.
When you learn a new language, learning how to order food is very important.
Yes, it is. When you travel to a new country, you need to eat at cafes and restaurants.
If you know basic English phrases, ordering food becomes very easy and stress-free.
That is right. You do not need to feel nervous when you go to a restaurant.
Today, we will guide you step by step through ordering food in English.
That sounds fantastic. Where should we start, Daniel?
Let's start with going to a coffee shop or a small cafe in the morning.
Oh, I love going to coffee shops in the morning.
Me too. The smell of fresh coffee is amazing.
What is the first thing you say when you walk into a cafe?
First, you walk up to the counter and say hello to the barista.
A barista is the person who makes and sells coffee in a cafe.
Yes, the barista will usually say, "Hi, how can I help you today?"
Or they might say, "Good morning, what can I get for you?"
Exactly. And then you can tell them what drink you want.
How should a beginner order a drink politely?
You can say, "Hello, can I have a hot coffee, please?"
Or you can say, "Good morning, I would like an iced tea, please."
Notice that both sentences are very polite and clear.
Yes, always say please when you ask for something.
Then, the barista might ask you about the size of your drink.
That is true. What are the common sizes in a coffee shop?
The common sizes are small, medium, and large.
So the barista might ask, "What size would you like?"
You can simply answer, "A medium, please."
That is very easy to remember. Small, medium, or large.
Sometimes the barista will also ask for here or to go.
Oh, that is a very common question in English-speaking countries.
Let's explain what for here or to go means.
For here means you want to sit inside the cafe and drink your coffee.
And to go means you want to take your drink with you outside.
In British English, people sometimes say takeaway instead of to go.
That's right. Takeaway or to go both mean taking the food away.
So if you want to drink it inside, you say, "For here, please."
And if you want to take it away, you say, "To go, please."
What if you want to eat a bakery item with your coffee?
Like a croissant, a donut, or a muffin?
Yes, you can point at the bakery display and say, "Can I also have a blueberry muffin, please?"
That sounds delicious. I love blueberry muffins.
Me too. They are sweet and soft.
After you order your drink and food, the barista will tell you the price.
They will say, "That will be $5, please."
You can pay with cash or with a card.
If you pay with a card, you can put your card on the machine and tap it.
Then the barista says, "Here's your coffee. Have a nice day."
And you reply, "Thank you. You too."
That is a complete coffee shop interaction.
Wow, that was so simple and clear.
Now let's talk about going to a sit-down restaurant for lunch or dinner.
Eating at a restaurant is a little different from ordering at a coffee counter.
Yes, because at a restaurant, you sit at a table and a server comes to you.
When you walk into a restaurant, a host or hostess greets you at the door.
A host is the person who welcomes guests and shows them to their table.
They will ask, "Hello, how many people today?"
You can say, "Hello, a table for two, please."
The host will smile and say, "Follow me, please."
They show you to your table and give you menus.
Once you sit down, you open your menu to look at the food choices.
Soon, your waiter or waitress will come to your table.
They will say, "Hello, my name is John. I will be your server today."
Then they usually ask if you want something to drink first.
Can I get you started with some drinks?
You can say, yes, please. Can we have 2 glasses of water?
Or, can I have an orange juice, please?
The waiter says, sure, I will bring those right away.
Then you have time to look at the food menu.
Let's talk about how a restaurant menu is structured.
Most menus have 4 main sections.
Section 1 is appetizers or starters.
What are appetizers?
Appetizers are small dishes you eat before the main food, like a bowl of soup, garlic bread, or a small green salad.
Exactly. They help you feel hungry and excited for the main food.
Section 2 is the main course or mains.
The main course is the primary dish of your meal.
Examples are chicken curry, grilled salmon, pizza, steak, or pasta.
Section 3 is side dishes or sides.
What are side dishes, Daniel?
Side dishes are small extra items you eat along with your main course.
Like French fries, mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, or rice.
Yes, so if you order chicken, you can get rice as a side dish.
That is a very complete meal. And Section 4 is desserts and beverages.
We talked about desserts earlier, sweet things like chocolate cake or ice cream.
I love chocolate ice cream. What is your favorite dessert, Emma?
My favorite dessert is cheesecake with strawberries.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Listeners, what about you? What is your favorite dessert?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We love learning about your favorite foods.
Yes, writing in the comments is a great way to practice your English words.
Now, imagine you are looking at the menu, but you do not know what to choose.
That happens to me all the time. Everything looks delicious.
What can you ask the waiter when you cannot decide?
You can ask, what do you recommend?
That is a great sentence. What do you recommend?
Recommend means to suggest something that is very good.
When you ask that, the waiter will tell you their favorite dish on the menu.
They might say, our grilled fish is very popular today.
You can also ask, what is the soup of the day?
Many restaurants make a fresh, special soup every single day.
What if you have special dietary needs or allergies?
That is very important to talk about. Safety comes first.
If you cannot eat gluten, you can say, do you have gluten-free options?
If you do not eat meat, you can say, I am a vegetarian. What vegetarian dishes do you have?
If you are allergic to nuts, you should say, I'm allergic to nuts. Is there nut oil in this dish?
The server will check with the kitchen chef to make sure your food is safe.
Restaurants are always happy to help you eat safely.
Now, let's practice how to actually place your order when the waiter returns.
When the waiter comes back, they ask, are you ready to order?
If you are ready, you can say, yes, we are ready.
If you need more time, you say, could we have 2 more minutes, please?
The waiter will say, of course, take your time.
When you are ready, you say your order clearly.
You can say, to start, I would like the tomato soup, please.
And for my main course, I will have the chicken pasta.
Notice how smooth and natural that sounds.
Let's repeat those phrases together.
To start, I would like.
And for my main course, I will have.
Using I would like and I will have makes you sound very polite and natural.
What if you want to change something in your dish?
Like asking for extra cheese or no onions.
Yes, you can say, can I have this without onions, please?
Or could I get extra sauce on the side, please?
On the side means putting the sauce in a small separate cup.
That is a super useful phrase, on the side.
Now let's enter part 3 of our podcast, the learning section.
Yay, my favorite part. Time to teach some useful English grammar and vocabulary.
Let's focus on key verbs that we use when talking about eating and ordering.
The first verb is to order.
In the present tense, I order food at a restaurant.
In the past tense, yesterday, I ordered food at a restaurant.
Order is a regular verb. We just add ed at the end. O-R-D-E-R-E-D.
The second verb is to cook.
In the present tense, the chef cooks delicious food.
In the past tense, last night, the chef cooked a wonderful meal.
Cook is also a regular verb. Present, cook. Past, cooked.
Pay attention to the pronunciation of cooked. It ends with a T sound, cooked.
That's a great pronunciation tip. Not cooked, but cooked.
Now let's look at some irregular verbs.
Irregular verbs do not use ed in the past tense. They change their spelling.
The first irregular verb is to eat.
In the present, I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
In the past, yesterday, I ate breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Eat becomes ate, A-T-E. The second irregular verb is to drink.
Present, I drink orange juice every morning.
Past, this morning I drank orange juice.
Drink becomes drink, D-R-A-N-K.
The third irregular verb is to pay.
Present, I pay for my meal with a credit card.
Past, yesterday I paid for my meal with cash.
Pay becomes paid, P-A-I-D.
The fourth irregular verb is to choose.
Present, I choose the fish.
Past, yesterday I chose the fish.
Choose, C-H-O-O-S-E, becomes chose, C-H-O-S-E.
That is great. Let's do a quick sentence practice for our listeners. I will say a sentence with a present tense verb and Emma will change it to past tense.
Ready when you are, Daniel.
Sentence 1. I drink hot chocolate in the cafe.
Past tense, I drank hot chocolate in the cafe.
Sentence 2. We choose a nice table near the window.
Past tense, we chose a nice table near the window.
Sentence 3. They pay the bill after dinner.
Past tense, they paid the bill after dinner.
Sentence 4. She eats a fresh salad for lunch.
Past tense, she ate a fresh salad for lunch.
Excellent job, Emma. You did that perfectly.
Thank you. Listeners, did you guess the past tense forms correctly at home?
If you got them all right, give yourself a high five.
If you are enjoying this lesson so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, subscribing helps you stay updated with every new lesson we post.
Now, let's talk about what happens while you are eating your meal at a restaurant.
The waiter will usually come back to your table after a few bites of food.
They want to make sure you are happy with your meal.
They will ask, "How is everything tasting?" Or, "Is everything okay for you?"
You can say, "Everything is wonderful, thank you."
Or, "The food is delicious."
What if there's a problem with your food?
For example, what if your soup is cold?
You can politely say, "Excuse me, my soup is a bit cold. Could you heat it up, please?"
Or, what if you got the wrong dish by mistake?
You can say, "Excuse me, I think I ordered the chicken, but this is beef."
The waiter will say, "Oh, I am so sorry. I will fix that for you right away."
Remember, mistakes happen, and servers are always happy to fix them if you ask politely.
That is so true. Always stay calm and polite.
Now you have finished your delicious meal. What comes next?
It's time for dessert, or it's time to ask for the bill.
The waiter might come and ask, "Did you save room for dessert?"
That's a funny English idiom, save room for dessert.
What does save room for dessert mean?
It means, do you still have space in your stomach to eat something sweet?
If you are full, you can say, "No thank you, I'm full. Just the check, please."
If you want dessert, you say, "Yes, please. Can we see the dessert menu?"
Then you order your cake or ice cream and enjoy it.
After dessert, you need to ask for the bill.
In American English, we call it the check.
In British English, we call it the bill.
Both words mean the paper showing the total money you need to pay.
How do you ask for it? You can say, "Excuse me, could we have the check, please?"
Or, "Can we get the bill, please?"
The waiter brings a small folder with the check inside.
You look at the total amount.
Sometimes, if you eat with friends, you want to split the bill.
What does split the bill mean?
Split the bill means each person pays for their own food.
You can ask the waiter, "Can we split the bill, please?" Or, "Separate checks, please."
That is very helpful when eating with a group of friends.
What about tipping? Let's remind our listeners about tipping culture.
In countries like the USA and Canada, it's standard practice to leave a tip.
A tip is extra money left for the server to thank them for good service.
Usually, people leave 15, 18, or 20% of the check as a tip.
You can put cash on the table or add the tip on the credit card machine.
When you pay, you say, "Thank you very much. The food was great."
And the waiter says, "Thank you. Have a wonderful evening."
Then you leave the restaurant with a happy, full stomach.
That was such a complete, useful guide to ordering food in English.
Let's do a full summary of the steps we learned today. great idea. Step 1. Greeting the server and asking for a table. A table for 2, please.
Step 2. Ordering drinks. Can I have a water, please?
Step 3. Asking for recommendations. What do you recommend?
Step 4. Ordering main course. I would like the chicken pasta, please.
Step 5. Explaining food needs. I am allergic to nuts, or I am a vegetarian.
Step 6. Complimenting the food. Everything was delicious.
Step 7. Asking for the check. Could we have the check, please?
Step 8. Paying and saying goodbye. Thank you. Have a great day.
8 simple steps to master ordering food anywhere in English.
If you practice these 8 steps, you will feel confident every time you go out to eat.
Yes, try practicing this dialogue with a friend or family member at home.
One person can be the waiter, and the other person can be the customer.
That is a fun way to practice speaking English together.
Dear listeners, what about you? What sentence from today's podcast was most useful for you?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We read all of your responses.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.